My friends think we're in a crypto winter, so I've actually found that I do not even want to keep my Gemini dollar on the Earn program. I know that I previously talked about how you can earn 6.9% interest using Gemini Earn by having your Gemini dollars stored on the Gemini system. But in this environment where there's too much unpredictability, you see cryptos crashing like the Terra and the Luna, complicate things falling apart. I don't really want to be in anything that's not 100% safe at this point, because the whole world is crashing. And the truth is, when you have money in something that doesn't make sense, then it is a little bit fragile. Now here, let's talk about Gemini dollar. I'm not really worried about Gemini dollar per se. That part is backed by a bank account, so it's not a complicated thing. It's actually fiat currency. That's when you have Gemini dollar and you don't loan it out. But once you loan it out, that's when your risk appears, because you actually do not have any insurance on this money once it's on the Earn program. And it's actually technically not even in Gemini's possession. So you're kind of in a position where you hope when you redeem it, the one who is borrowing it will return it within 5 days. That's what they're required to do. But that doesn't mean that what are they doing with your money? That actually is not something that we really know that much about. It's something about providing liquidity or something to do with crypto. That just kind of really scares me when you think about that your money is being loaned to someone doing something that you don't really know that much about, and it could be risky. Maybe it's riskier than you think. Maybe there's this risk that you'll lose 100%, because in this environment we really don't know what's going to happen with crypto, because there's a lot of fear and a lot of unpredictable situations. Just even in the stock market, there's incredible risk. Oh, I'll just buy Target and Home Depot stock or something like that, and all these things are crashing. Oh, well, I'll put my money in Snapchat. Oh, boom, 22% down after hours. Or you can name any stock. You can say, oh, that's not risky. I mean, everybody uses it. Boom, it goes down the toilet. So crypto is considered even more risky. And so do you really want to loan your money out for 6.9% when you could lose 100%? I mean, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but you can't say that the chance of it is zero. I'm not even saying anything bad about Gemini. I think I had no problems using their site, and the Earned worked fine. I got my money back. But if things start to tank, I really don't know what's going to happen. So in this kind of crazy environment, I think cash and FDIC account is the only way to go. What do you think, Danny?
I agree. FDIC, well, they might have a problem too eventually, but that's a whole nother matter. But it's probably safer to keep your money in a FDIC insurance institution. It's better than having money buried in your backyard, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Someone might find your money. But I think that it's true. If you're getting 7% almost for something, it does involve a tremendous amount of risk, even if it doesn't look like that. A lot of people didn't think Luna having 20% was that risky for some reason. I don't know. That's kind of a warning sign when it's that high, because it's not sustainable. But right now, I believe we're in a crypto winter, and I think the prices are going to go way lower than anyone has ever thought about before they bought them.
So I have a feeling people are then asking, so where should I keep my money? Where should I keep the money if I want to earn something? Well, there are the CD accounts, typical kind of banking institution, probably getting less than 1% if you want it for less than a year. There's also some online savings accounts that provide you with maybe less than 1%. And there's also Yoda Bank, Yoda Savings. You guaranteed 0.25, I think. But then with the prizes, it's more. So I can't really say what you will get, because it could be more. That's what I've been putting some money into Yoda Savings, because that's FDIC insured. So I will not lose any of that. Anyway, this is a scary environment. So the only thing that makes sense right now is to put the money in cash. And even things that seem safe may not be safe. If there is any risk in it, you probably shouldn't be involved in it in a very severe crypto bear market. Anyway, smash the like button if you thought this was interesting, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.